Hi, welcome to Cybersecurity Architecture Fundamentals. My name is Ian Low, and I've been a practicing architect for more than 10 years. I also have deep experiences in cybersecurity operations and cybersecurity consulting. Now, I created this class to fill a gap in the industry where there is very little formal education on cybersecurity architecture. I planned this class as an introduction to the practice of cybersecurity architecture and also to aspiring architects. So, if this is of interest, let me explain a little bit more about this class. In this class, you will go through how to create misuse cases to model threats, how to perform application threat models, learn concepts like shared responsibility model in cloud security, and much more. So, if these topics catch your interest and you're ready to start your journey to becoming a cybersecurity architect, please enroll in this class and start your journey.